Good afternoon, everyone. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are. And welcome to Medieval and Renaissance Dance Lessons with the Contessa. Basic footwork, the sempio, the pas simple, the singles in 15th century English. This is literally just walking. So let's start with our weight on our right foot. Our left foot is free. And we're going to step single, single, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'd like you to try to put the weight on the front halves of your feet so that your heels, you're not walking heel toe, you're just sort of walking ball of foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. A little pause between each step. Step, pause, step, pause, step, pause, step, pause. Okay, so that is the single in the meter of 4/4. This is the single in the meter of 6/4. So the rhythm is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're walking single steps, stepping on 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slow, slow, slow. And raise and lower yourself on each of those steps to help take the time of the music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The single in 6/4. Basic medieval dance footwork, the double. And this is the double forward or backwards in 4/4, quaternaria. So the rhythm is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the double consists of 3 steps and a pause. So let's start with our weight on our right foot. Our left foot is free. One double looks like this. 1, 2, 3, pause. And you'll notice I leave that last foot for that 4th beat behind me with my weight completely committed to the first foot that led, that being the left foot. And now I know which foot comes next because I can't get that left foot up again without using my right foot. So my right foot leads the next double. 1, 2, 3, pause. Okay, so let's go ahead and try a series of those doubles back to back. Weight is on our right foot, left foot is free, and 1, 2, 3, pause, 1, 2, 3, pause, 1, 2, 3, pause, 1, 2, 3, pause. And let's raise and lower ourselves through that double for those who want a little more advanced something. 3, pause, 1, 2, 3, pause, 1, 2, 3, pause, 1, 2, 3. That is the double in 4/4. The double, the pas double, the doppio, the doppel, in the meter of 6/4. So let's talk about the music quickly. The rhythm is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or slow, quick, slow. Slow, quick, slow. Slow, quick, slow. And that's the rhythm on which we're going to be stepping. So weight is on your right feet to start. And the double, as always, consists of 3 steps and a pause. So this one, as always, leads with the left foot. So that looks like this. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And each one of these little sets of 3 steps is a double. And we're actually, for the mathematically minded, we're stepping on counts 1, 3, and 4. So that's how you get your slow, quick, slow rhythm. So that goes slow, quick, slow. Slow, quick, slow. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slow, quick, slow. Slow, quick, slow. Slow, quick, slow. Slow, quick, slow. And that is your double in the meter of 6/4. This is the 15th century Continenza, which is very different from the 16th century one. So this is basically described as the treading of the bellows. It looks like this in 6/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I raise and lower myself as I shift weight from one foot to the other. You'll notice I'm not stepping sideways because if you tread the bellows when you're stepping, you're going to fall off of your bellows, right? So you keep your feet in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's basically the timing of 2 singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is your Continenza, which, by the way, the name comes from the word continente. Continent, which means something that doesn't move. It is the opposite of the word incontinent, and we all know what that means. So if you take big, giant sideways steps, you look incontinent. That is actually what a 16th century dance master said. Very quickly, the ripresa. This is, in my world, a sideways double of sorts. So I shall demonstrate it first in the meter of 6/4. So the rhythm is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step, cut, step lower, step, cut, step lower, left, cut right, left, gather, right, da, da. From the side, da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Okay, so let's break that down quickly, but slowly. Weight is on our right foot, our left foot is free. We're going to step left, little sideways step left, cutting with the right foot, step left, gathering with the right foot as you lower, then to the right, step right, cut left, step right, lower. Okay, let's go ahead and try that. Ready, and left, cut left, right, cut right, left, cut left, right, cut right, left, cut right, left, da, da. Okay, so basic medieval and Renaissance footwork, the piva. Piva is just the 15th century Italian word for bagpipe. In fact, it seemed to mean that for a couple of centuries. And it is a double that is altered and accelerated by the music. If you need to know what a double is, go see the basic double videos. Okay, so a piva is in 6/8 time, often, sometimes in 4/4. We're going to do the piva in 6/8, which means da 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 da. This is how the basic piva looks, right? Da 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 da. And it is basically a double where the second step is shorter than the other two. So let's start with your weight on your right foot. You're going to step onto your left foot, bring that right foot up next to it, shifting weight thoroughly onto your right foot, and step forward onto your left foot. Okay, then we do that on the other side. Step onto the right foot, place your weight on the left foot, and then weight on your right foot again. So that second step ends up being a stutter step of sorts. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So let's start slowly and accelerate. Weight is on your right foot, left foot is free, and left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Slow, quick, slow, slow, quick, slow. Only 3 steps per thing. There's a pause between each piva. Let's go ahead and try it slowly and accelerate through. So we'll start with da, 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 that tempo. Weight is on your right foot, left foot is free. Ready, and da, 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 da. And that is the piva. Let me know if you have questions in the comments below. The saltarello. The word saltarello just means a big hop, and it basically looks like this. This is a double with a hop on it. So let's break it down quickly, but slowly. So weight is on our right foot to start, and I do just a regular double, but in the meter of 6/8. Okay, so that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then on 6, we hop. So it's a syncopated double, slow, quick, slow, and the second step is shorter than the other 2 steps. So that's long, short, long. My weight is committed now to my left foot. I bring that right leg up while I hop. Okay, that's why we create the hop. There's no extra step. It's a step and a hop. Step, 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 hop. Okay, let's try that together. Weight is on your right foot, left foot is free. Ready, and step, 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 hop. And then the next one would, of course, ipso facto, start on the right foot. So we go step, 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 hop. So let's try stringing those together slowly. Weight is on your right foot, left foot is free. Ready, and step, 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 hop, 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 step, 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 hop. Okay, cheater, if you're having issues mastering this level of the saltarello, your cheats are, first, The thing to practice is just stepping and hopping. Step, hop. So I want you to put your weight on your right foot, and I just want to do a step hop. Step, hop. Okay. Let's try that on the right foot. Weight is on your left foot. Your right foot is free, so we're just going to step on the right foot and step hop. Ready, and step, hop. Okay, so let's just do a series of step hops around the space. Weight is on your right foot, left foot is free, and step, hop, step, hop, step, hop. Remember when we were little, most of us anyway, used to do some version of this? Step, hop, 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 step, hop. See, like this gentleman over here is doing. So, right, and then on the end of your double, you can put that step hop. Step, 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 hop, 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 step, 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 hop. Cheat 2. If you can do the Piva, you can do a Saltarello. Just add a hop to the end of the Piva. To wit, Piva hop, 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 Piva hop. Okay, well, the advantage of this being a video is that you can record, you can rewind and replay at your leisure. In this lesson, we're going to be covering the volta tonda, the volta del gioioso, as it sometimes is called. So this is a figure that is mostly done in the meter of 6-4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Starts with your weight on your left foot. This is how it looks. I'll demonstrate it. Single, single, ripresa, right? Breaking that down, it's basically a big circle. You're just walking your own private little circle over your left shoulder. So your left shoulder is in the center of your turn. And we do 2 singles to turn halfway around, to go halfway around our circle, rather. Step right and left, and now I'm halfway around. My weight is on my left foot, my right foot is free. And actually with that second step to get halfway around, that second single, I'm angling my left foot leftwards so that I can easily make this half turn to get the rest of the way. So let's try 2 singles going halfway around our private circle. Ready, and single, single. And now I do a ripresa right, finishing my arc with the ripresa. So my ripresa should curve. Okay, ready, ripresa 2, 3. And you should get back, you should return mostly to the spot whence you came. If you migrate a little, that's okay, but this step should not migrate you massively. So let's try that volta tonda. Ready, and single, single, ripresa 2, 3. Let's try it again. Weight is on your left foot, and single, single, ripresa 2, 3. From the side, and single, single, ripresa 2, 3. And that is your volta tonda in bassa danza. So, medieval and Renaissance dance footwork with the Contessa, the Mezavolta, the half turn. And this might seem like it's easy, but it's not necessarily. So if you've got your weight on your right foot, a half turn, and your left foot is free, a half turn is just pivoting on that right foot generally onto the left foot. But this nearly always comes at the end of a step, and that is where it gets tricky. So I'll demonstrate what a Mezavolta looks like on the end of a double, a doppio in bassa danza. So my right foot is free. I go right, left, right, and I turn with my face forward. Now, why is that, kids? Well, let me show you why that is. So I've got long skirts and I've got a little train. This isn't even my big train. And if I go right, left, right, then my skirts end up all wrapped around my feet. But if I turn forward, right, left, right, then I can really make it flow nice and saucily. So always turn with your face forward. So a Mezavolta is a half turn, step, step. Mezavolta with your face forward. Okay, Mezavolta at the end of a step like a Saltarello. So there you're going to use the hop to generate that half turn, that Mezavolta. So for instance, from my right foot, right, right, hop. Or from my left foot, left, left, hop. And the key here is that on the third step of that double, of that Saltarello, right, left, my right foot is angling already, pointing in the direction in which I want to turn. So it's oblique, it's tangential to my line of dance. And that literally lines me up to be able to accomplish that turn. And that's whether you're hopping or not. You always place that step, that third step, the one that leads into the Mezavolta, tangential to your line of dance. Medieval and Renaissance basic dance footwork with the Contessa. Today we're covering the volta tonda, the turn single in basically cardinaria, in 4/4. So this crops up in dances like Petite Rose, in Anello, and Co. Oh, also in a lot of 15th century English dances. The torn single, it's called. There are torn singles. So generally you're going to lead this with your right foot, and you can do it over either shoulder, your left or your right. We'll do it first over the left. So if your rhythm is in 4/4, 1, 2, 3, 4, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically I'm just walking a tiny little circle over my left shoulder, ending where I started with 4 little steps. Or 4 little steps, yes, to get all the way back around and free up your left foot again. So weight is on our right foot, left foot is free, 4 for nothing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Left, right, left, right. Okay, let's try that over the right shoulder, but still leading with our left foot. 4, 3, 2, 1. Left, right, left, right. Okay, for balance, let's try that over the right shoulder with our right foot. Weight is on your left foot, right foot is free. 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, left, right, left. And now for balance, over our left shoulder, 4, 3, 2, 1, right, left, right, left. Okay, that is the volta tonda in quaternaria, or the turn single. Stay creative, guys. This is Eli's first outing in the actual great outdoors. We're here at Nongsong Park, 9th century earthworks fortress next to our apartment complex.
Where you going, buddy?